So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is a project we started back end of summer last year. We're back on site now. Been waiting for all of the new stones to be made, which has taken a little bit longer than expected. So what we're doing on this project is basically taking all of the old defect stone out, replacing it all with new stone. As you can see now, all this section of stone, all the indents, all the string moulds all been put in. We've taken down this section of brickwork, rebuilt all this, so it's all nice and plumb. All our keystones all been going through, taking out all of the window heads, all going back in new stone, as you can see here. So all the new stone going all the way through here. Lads are doing an amazing job, looking fantastic already. So rebuilt all of that gable, all of the stone going through here. All of the stone bands are all going to be restored. Taking out the window sills, they're all going to be new stone. So I'll just take you upstairs and show you what the lads have been doing upstairs as well. So all of this stone, as you can see, just deteriorated over time. So all of this stone all going to be replaced all the way through here. All of the coping stones, next lift up, all of the coping stones on the top here. So we're going to be replacing all of the coping stones. Got all of the stone up here, so massive job this one. Another piece of challenging work. Lads are doing a real nice job fitting all of the stones, as you can see. All the new stones all being made. All of the string course all the way through is going to be all replaced. Then it's going to obviously all be repointed as well, so that's a massive job on its own for the repointing. So we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar, roll finish as well. So lads have been here for a couple of weeks now, getting back on the stonework. Customers are really happy with everything that we're doing so far. So going to be a real transformation this once all of the new stone is all being put in. Hopefully get that all of the stone put in hopefully by the end of next week. Get all of the brickwork tied in, and then basically start all the repointing in a couple of weeks time. But so far so good, and another job being finished to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.